And wear your mask. Try to look at the tumbler. Usually, we have tumblers ngayon. Uso yan, diba? Kasi sa init ng panahon. Then, when I wash my tumblers, I make it sure, wash it with soap and water. And then, after washing, kini-clean ko pa siya. Let's see. Lalo na yung mga may rubber inside. I clean it well. May mapapansin ka dyan. Especially inside this rubberized area. Look.